Hello everybody, welcome to my channel PV's Tech World. Today we are going to review JBL C100 TWS, this device. Wireless earbuds from JBL company. 3 years back I had bought JBL T450BT headset from Flipkart. I wanted to use for my personal as well as professional use. But after using it for some time, whenever I used to take my office calls with it, there used to be lots of disturbance and the voice of the person on the other end was distorted. I couldn't hear them properly. They were able to hear me properly, but I couldn't hear them properly. So I complained about it as the product was in warranty. They replaced it once, but again the issue didn't get sorted out. And I wanted to use this product for my office calls. So I thought I dropped them an email, I dropped them an escalation email, and I told them that I don't want this product. So it was big headphones, blue color, T450BT. It was priced around 2000 rupees. Bought from Flipkart. Design wise it was good, but there was an issue with it, so I thought give me a replacement. So then I asked for a wireless earbuds, that is C100 TWS, same price around the product that I had. They were happy to send me that product. They asked me to destroy the product that I have and send the photo and the videos of it, which I did, and then they were able to send me this product. So after using this for around 3 years, I'm going to make a review video on this. I'll be sharing my honest feedback for you. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing my experience with you. So let's start. Before reviewing the product, let me tell you a short information about JBL. JBL is an American company which is owned by Harman International. Harman International is also an American company, but Harman is owned by Samsung. So basically, if you're buying a product from Harman or JBL, you're buying a product from Samsung only. So this is a bit information about JBL. Why I bought JBL? Whenever you hear JBL's name, they are known for the audio products. It can be headphone, it can be earphone, car stereos, can be car amplifiers. So JBL is synchronous with audio device, and JBL is also very famous for its headphones and products related to audio industry. So I thought let me go with JBL. Now let's review this product. Let me tell you my pros and cons of this product. JBL T450BT is currently priced at around 2399. I had bought it for 1999. There's an incremental cost of 400 rupees. This product that is available on Flipkart right now is priced at 3299. I'll also share the link of the product in the description. In case if you like the product, you can order it. The design of the product is in ear. So basically the headphone goes inside your ear. The design is good, comfortable, in ear design. So basically you don't have to worry about the device falling from your ears. So it goes inside your ear. Okay. See, it's an in-ear design. You can see it, and the case they have given is also very good. Nice fit and finish of the product. The quality is good. After using it for 3 years, I can see that there is no much wear and tear of the product. For 2 earbuds, you can also use one of them, and you can also hear music and you can also call. So the battery backup of this product is, if you use 2 earbuds, it's around 5 hours, and the case battery backup is around 12 hours. It supports Bluetooth 5.0 plus, which has higher range and radius. So connectivity, there is no much issue with it. Supports voice assistant from Google, which is added USP for this product. It has 3 different cushions available based on size. So you can change the cushions of the earbuds based on your ear size or based on your comfort level. It has a very good bass experience. So if you are looking for earbuds with good bass and you are a music enthusiast, If you are a music lover, I would recommend this product to you. The product is not sweat proof or waterproof, so there is that risk that if when you're doing exercise, if the water goes in it, there is a chance that there may be an issue with the product, or the product may stop working. So the pros are that it is very easy to carry. um, it supports fast charging. Basically micro USB supported for charging. You just pair it once and forget it. Pairing is very easy. Once you just remove the product from the case, it auto connects with your phone. There is one click. When you insert the another earbud, both the earbuds connect internally and that connects with the phone, so pairing is quite smooth. There is no much issue with it. Music quality is very good. There is no much problem with it. So basically when you connect, when you're hearing songs, they have given buttons on the earpiece. See, this is the earpiece that we are talking about. They are given buttons here. If you click on this button, there are different functionalities related to it. Let's discuss that one. Okay, comfort wise it is good. You can wear it for the longer hours. There's no fear that it will fall because it's easily fits in your ears. One cons that I had is that when the earbuds are connected, and if you want to change the song, or if you want to receive a phone, if you just click on this one, it goes inside. So this outer switches that they have given, it's bit hard. It should be a bit smooth one, that once you just click on here, it should change. So that is one cons that I have. One more cons that I have faced is that whenever you are taking any call, office calls, or if you're having personal calls, and when you are speaking, the mic quality is not that good. I have faced issues like where the other person is not able to hear me, and so that is one issue that I have faced. The mic quality can be improved. I would recommend it for music than a calling. So I feel that is one cons that is there. So this is the product that we are talking about. This is the 3 blinking lights that I was talking about. When you just open the product, it blinks. This is the information about the company. This is the charging of the product, that is micro USB. I was talking about that whenever you charge it, it will blink 3 times, and when it is fully charged, all the 3 will stop blinking. And you can see that this is the right earbud and this is the left one. Design wise, I feel it is a good product. After using it for 3 years, I don't feel that there is any wear and tear of the product. Connectivity is really good, and if you see that here is the charging connector. I was talking that the company has given 3 different cushions based on the size, and here we have one light that is currently blinking, and this is the button that I was talking about. If you click on this button, you can do different functionalities related to music and related to songs. So when you just open this one and remove both the devices from your end, it will auto connect with your phone, and connection is very fast. The buds quality is really good. It is like in-ear design, I really like in-ear design earbuds. And the thing that I was talking about, that whenever just I insert both the products back in the case, it will auto disconnect. If it should only disconnect when I close the case, and so that is one drawback I feel. 3 years, there is no much wear and tear. It charges very fast. Design is good. You can use for your day-to-day use for calling. You can also use one earbud for calling. It's not that you have to use 2 of them. If you use one, you'll be able to save more battery. The battery life of 2 earbuds is around 5 hours. The battery life of the case is around 12 hours. So these are the buttons that they have given here. It's mentioned here left and right. So anyone does not face any issues with it. And if you see, the case is also really good. So do mention in the comment section that how you really like the product. You can easily carry it in your pocket, and you can easily carry it somewhere. You don't have to fear that you will get lost. um, so design is superb, according to my views, and I really like this product. So when you are connected, when the earbuds are connected with your phone, if you receive a phone, if you click on any of this button, you will be able to easily pick up the phone. And when the phone is connected, if you click on any of this button, it will automatically get disconnected. If you click on the right earbud button twice, it will start voice assistant, that is Google Assistant, which is very handy while maybe driving or maybe doing some work or multitasking. And we are hearing music, if you click on the left earbud once, it will change the song to the next one. If you click on the right earbud once, it will play or pause the song, and if you click on left earbud twice, it will restart the song. So these are the multi functionalities of the product. Some people have also faced issues where the both earbuds are not getting connected with each other, and many YouTubers have also made videos on it, but I haven't faced any issues related to it. But they have also given a guide that in case if both of them does not connect with each other, they have given a troubleshooting guide that you can follow, and the issue can get sorted out. So I feel it's a good product. If anyone wants to go for wireless buds or earbuds, you can easily go for JBL. I would recommend this company to you. That's all I would like to say for this product. Design is very good. I haven't faced much issue with the product, and I'm happy with the product. I would recommend this product to some other people also. I would also recommend JBL as a company to other people for buying their audio accessories. They have given an upgraded version for this product, that is JBL Wave in-ear TWS. So if anyone wants to buy that product, they can also buy it. Price around 2489, available on Flipkart and Amazon. I will also put that link of the product. Basically the design of the earbud is same. They have just changed the body of the case, just modified a bit. So I think and they have given some upgraded features for it. So I think that is also a good product if anyone wants to go for it. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Do provide your valuable feedback on the comment section. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe it and support us in our journey. That's it for today. We'll be meeting in our next video with another product review from our end, and bye bye.